Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in today's lecture, we are going to see the main and sub themes of our unit number 12, that is about the Kagan Valley. So, the main theme which I identified for you is the harmony between nature and human exploration. So this essay actually highlights the natural beauty of Kagan Valley, which includes Shogran and Naran as well, and he has hinted about Balakot as well. So while showing how humans can enjoy and preserve and coexist with nature responsibly. So this essay actually gives us an insight that even if we are living in that beautiful area, we should not try to make wrong to that beautiful place. Rather, we can easily coexist with nature in a very responsible manner. So that is actually the prime theme of the essay. Now, dear students, let us look at some of the sub themes of the essay. And the very first, obviously, is the natural beauty of Pakistan, as the essay showcases forests, rivers, lakes, mountains, and all kind of wildlife, including the trees and animals. So actually, the essay tells us that Pakistan is quite rich in nature, and the natural beauty is all around the area. Well, the second sub-theme that can be identified is the tourism and accessibility. So the writer has very clearly described the routes, facilities, and the tourist attractions like Naran and Shukran. So he has detailed about how the tourism and the tourists, they are facilitated, and all the basic facilities like the good roads and hotels and living facilities, so all are present, and that is why this area is booming in terms of tourism. Well, another thing that has been pointed out in the essay is the impact of the natural disaster, and especially it is hinted that there was a lot of destruction caused by the 2005 earthquake, and the recovery efforts, especially in this reference, Balakot has been mentioned, which was almost destroyed in that earthquake, but later, with the help of national and international aid, that area was, and the people were rehabilitated. Well, this is a very important issue that has been hinted as well. Although we enjoy as tourists these places a lot, we appreciate the beauty, but sometimes our activities are quite dangerous to the environment. So the essay actually emphasizes strict protection of forests and wildlife, so that not only us but the other people, the next generations, they should also enjoy the same scenery and the beauty of this nature. So we must do our efforts to conserve the environment and protect it. Well, yet another theme that can be explored is the hint to the rural life and the agriculture of this mountainous terrain. So it shows the terraced farming, and that is the way of farming in that hilly area, and also the local livelihoods. That means the chances, the opportunities that the local people have. So all these have been hinted in quite a detail. Well, another thing that we find, definitely because of the area and the region, uh, it reflects mountaineering, hiking, and camping experiences. So the hint is that we can do a lot of adventure, and obviously, if we move on to any hill or any valley, that will be an exploration for us. So the theme of adventure and exploration, that is very, very important and vital for the young people as well. Well, the last theme that I have identified here is that it is quite a contrast from the urban noise, and we find the serenity of nature, and it's quite peaceful atmosphere there, because you won't be finding too many noises that we normally experience in our urban life, like the traffic and loud music, even if we do not do that, obviously. So it's quite peaceful, and sometimes it's very important to have break from the noisy and very busy kind of routine. So these places actually serve as uh, a solitude that is important for us to regenerate our souls and bodies. So these are some of the themes which are present in the essay. Well, with that, thank you very much, dear students, and take care.